Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Chigozie, and today again, I bring you good tidings. And the good tidings I'm bringing today is coming to you from Canada. I'm taking you to an university in Canada, and I'm going to be showing you the scholarship opportunity that is available in this university. I know a lot of people have said, do they have scholarship in Canada? So now I'm taking you to one university in Canada where they have scholarship opportunities available for undergraduate students. They also have a admission opportunity for graduate students, that's masters. If you want to do your masters there is opportunity for scholarship. There is also opportunity for admission, but this kind of scholarship will need you to contact a supervisor if you are going for masters. Read my lips. You will need to get a supervisor to get scholarship for masters. But for undergraduate, in this school that I'm taking you to, you will just need your application to go through. Once you get admission, it is an automatic scholarship for you, but the scholarship is going to be based on your grade. So they have grades. If you scored all A's, they have an amount that should be given to you. So if you have below A, that's B, there's an amount that should be given to you. You have C, there's an amount that should be given to you. So isn't that amazing? It means there is something for everybody. Whether you scored A, B, C, there is something for you. That's amazing. And this school is in Canada. This university is in Canada. So isn't it amazing? So let's go straight as we go to this school website. I'm going to take you through the school website. You will see what the school website looks like. Then you will also see what scholarship that is available for you in this school. So right now, let's move straight to this school website. Good. So we're on this school website. I'm sure you're wondering, the name of the school is Brock University. Brock University, this is it, academic programs. See the programs they have: accounting, adult education, applied computing, applied linguistics, biochemistry, biological sciences, biomedical sciences, biophysics, biotechnology, business administration, business communication, chemistry, child and youth studies, Canadian studies, classics, child health. Very amazing, this child health, computer science, computing, many things they have, data science, you can see. So there are so many things they have. For undergraduates, you can see it. We've gone through undergraduate courses. Then we go to graduate courses. So there are teacher education courses there. This is graduate courses. So for the graduate courses, masters in accounting, accounting diploma, applied disability, apply the disability masters again. This one is graduate diploma, apply disability masters. So several, see, business economics, chemistry, classics, child and youth studies, PhD. So chemistry PhD. So if you want to go for a PhD, interdisciplinary humanities PhD, management, MSc. See, understand that when you want to come for this postgraduate, that's you finished your first degree, you're now coming for masters. So understand that these courses are courses that you will need to secure a supervisor before you can get admission. So you will need a supervisor to get the admission and the funding for your graduate program, except that graduate program you're going for is masters and it's a course-based masters. So why am I saying this? I'm trying to explain it out so that you will not say, oh, I applied and I didn't get. No, if you apply correctly, because see, there is masters in public health, and when there is a master's in public health, you know what that means. So masters in public health is something that everybody wants. So when there is masters in public health and you really need it, it means what you have to do the due diligence of securing a supervisor, except you're doing a course-based masters. But once it's research-based, and most things abroad, before they want to fund you, they want to see that it is research-based. So if it's not research-based, most people may not want to fund you. Before I continue, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. You're welcome back. But if today is your first time of being here, please subscribe. Remember to share, like, drop your comments. If you go through the comment section, you will notice that I respond to all the comments. Drop your likes, invite your friends. This is just the way you can encourage me. It's not easy going to scout for these scholarships I'm putting out here. It's putting it out here for you. So I think you should encourage me by inviting your friends and subscribing. Subscribe, then click the notification button. Why am I saying this? Most of my videos are time sensitive, so if you don't get it on time, it means by the time you are seeing it, the application deadline might have passed and you missed that application here. So but if you put up a notification button, once I make a video and post it, you will get the notification and you will see it immediately. So that's why I always tell people, subscribe, hit like, share, and put on the notification button so that once I post, you will get it. So now let's go back to the school so that we continue what we're doing. So now we're back to the school website. So you can still see Masters in Education, Game and Studies, Intelligent Systems and Data Science, PhD, Mathematics and Statistics, MSc, Physics, PhD, Psychology Masters, Sociology Masters, Sustainability Science, PhD. Very fantastic courses. Computer Science Masters. They have very good courses here. Applied Health Sciences Master. So as a doctor, as a scientist, you can always do this. Applied Health Sciences, PhD and Masters, they have it. This as a fantastic school, very good school. Now, let's go to the scholarship opportunity that is available for undergraduates. Understand that I told you that for graduates, there are scholarships for you, but you will need to contact a supervisor. The scholarships available for you is what we call supervisor or departmental based funding. So you will need to get a supervisor that will say, okay, I will supervise this student before the department can release funding to you. So as an international student, you are qualified, but what you need to do is construct a very wonderful email, go to your department, find out your course coordinator or those supervisors or instructors taking students and write them email telling them that you want to work with them or you want an admission in their department. Having said that, let me show you the scholarship opportunities that are available for international students undergraduates. Now you can see it. So the criteria for this undergraduate scholarship is boldly written here. See it here. Our largest award is the Brock Scholars Award. These awards are automatic and open to every incoming student from anywhere in the world. To qualify, you must be entering your first undergraduate program. So no previous undergraduate experience. This should be your first undergraduate program. And whether you graduated last year, this year, previous year, whatever, but don't have a first degree. This should be your first undergraduate program. And see, the scholarship are much is a range. So if you are above 95%, that you had A's, A1, A2, is now A1, B2, B3. So if you are in A1, A1, this you're going to be getting 13,600 Canadian dollars. Then if you're within B2, you're going to be getting 7,600 Canadian dollars. If you are within a B3, C4, 3,600 Canadian dollars, C5, C6, 1,600 Canadian dollars. Isn't it amazing? So they are actually going to calculate how much you're going to get based on your score. So you have seen it, and your admission average is calculated using the prerequisite for your offered program of study. So it may not outrightly, what I estimated may not even be exactly what you will get. You may get more or get lower. So either way, then you can also get other scholarships available in the same school. Emerging Market Entrance Awards. If you're from Colombia, Kenya, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, you can get this scholarship. Then International Curriculum Awards, students are automatically considered if you have achieved IB diploma successful completion, AP incoming first year. So for you, International Ambassador Award, variable equal, as in equal to domestic tuition. So you can imagine. Then the Caribbean International Scholarships, people from this Kube, Haiti, the St. Kitts, Navy, St. Martin's, all of them, they are the ones that are qualified for this. So it means when you get this, you can also get any of these scholarships here. And that's amazing. That's really, really amazing. If you are wondering, how is this possible? It is actually possible. This university is located in Ontario, Canada, and is one of the best universities, and a good university, actually a very good university. You can give luck a try by putting your documents together, making your application, and standing out. This university is in Canada, and trust me, Canada is a very good place for you to study as an international student. And I want to see you in Canada. So you can be my friend if you're coming to Canada. If you're successful in this application, I will be happy. But then before I take a bow, I want you to share this video, invite your friends, like it, and ask your questions in the comment section. Having said that, thank you very much. I don't know where you are watching this video because I have my YouTube and I have my Facebook. If you're watching it on YouTube, the link to the university will be in the description box. If you're watching it on Facebook, you will have to go to YouTube and check for the link in the description box. So this is it, and I wish you success. Remember, subscribe, please. Thank you.